Kani kadai kedurashan Meghalaya bani pedang sengobhai pi baro syakatuk kubor nataga janmin. Shwaban paish ki kubor ki babnia ini pechwa ikimat bakongsan. Sedang ke Shillong Government College of Engineering yang ke-90 ke Baningkong damar lai posi nak kebentar gejing puli Civil but Electrical Engineering. La banwan peli Menteri Rang Badu Kavi Narendra Modi lani Menteri Ketenat Kampu Iyeng Amit Shah yang ke Shillong Medical College. Tanpa UCEM ke GHADC bakal lapangap kedai kebentar cong gejala Meghalaya kentu yang ke Sarkar Asam bat Meghalaya banwan ra iku cimpen bait ke bakam keluar. Yawer Menteri Rang Badu Kavi Narendra Modi yang gejing teli ha gejing rakhi ya ka Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Bat yok ke India ya gejing job ringkat gejing yok penhap sun wicket Persha ya ke Australia ha gejing elekai semifinal jong ke ICC Women's ODI World Cup. Mentang ini apa syiki kubar berbenia ha gejala. Menteri Rang Bak gejala ukonrat ki sangma menta ka sni ulapli ya ka 90 ka Baningkong jong ka Shillong Government College of Engineering haplau jong ka badon hamaulai kenton masar kani ka jaka puli ka balayo ching itu ana ka AICTE menta usnam kan sedang ya ka Government Engineering College ka Baningkong jong gejala dagi jing puli jong ka Civil but Electrical Engineering bad kan ai mar lai posit ya baro arjat ki jing puli na ka benta usnam arajar arpusan par arpundriu dagajing bah kaba 10% na kabenta ki khana puli ki baduna kayo kakon hakani ka singi pli lawan bani shimbenta ki he officer gajala u professor coming star for marthang ula pentikna ye kijing pendrung kerteng bapura hagijing puli ye ka civil engineering bat kumju ye kijing thungkam ya kinong hikai.
The way technology today is, it depends on how you use that technology, when you use it, and how you can come in at the right time. Do you know this migration technology for the S4HANA? Just for the part that this particular organization is doing it right here in Shillong, is a $10 billion market. $10 billion. Which means that if this organization can expand its manpower to about 300, 400, 500 people, we can employ large number of people, and at the same time we can ensure that we will be able to take this 10 billion, large share of this $10 billion market. Now I'm sharing this all with you because just in the last 2 months we did not talk too much in social media about it. I think as people will tell you, we like to act more than talk. We had 2 meetings with critical and important people from NVIDIA.
Menteri Rang Bak gejala ukonrat ki sangma ulapen bena baya ke Shillong Medical College anla banwan pli de Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi lani Menteri Ketenat ki Kampo Iyeng ke Sarkar Pedeng Amit Shah habakren ha ka sngi pli ya ka snem puli ka Baningkong jong ke Shillong Government College of Engineering usangma ulaong ba gejala kadang ab ikijing pentikna na ke Sarkar Pedeng lakmi lenti ban yo pli perdano ikani gejaka puli hau benai ubanwan.
Either Honorable Prime Minister or either Honorable Home Minister to come and to inaugurate the Shillong Medical College. We have not yet received the confirmation in the last 3-4 weeks. We have been following up. But based on the communication, we will decide on the date and we will go ahead with the inauguration of the Shillong Medical College also within the next maybe couple of weeks or maximum within a month's time.
Chief Executive Member ka GHADC uba Thombor Shiwan ula ong ba ka lapangap kahap hapo gejala Meghalaya da ka baong bala penskem na gejing ai sanat da ka council ula kentu ya ka sarkar jang gejala Assam bat Meghalaya ban penbet klo ya gejing ya ka Japun kani ka than kala sakhi ya gejing kolmar ha ka ba uwe ubri ubana karbi ulayab bat ya ka ba kinong shongshnong kila dawa ban le ai ya ki badon kti Wat hap deng kini gijing kulmar kinong song jangka tapat bat lapangap kilaya suk bat kilaya menjur ban beteng gijing ot keba hakani ka jaga.
In since the government would not draw the line, this is to Assam, this is to Meghalaya, this thing every time this dispute arise from time to time. You cannot say that this portion is of Assam, this portion of Meghalaya. So this village Lapangap, I think this is the first time because nothing is happened like this. Actually, not it is a no man's land because that village Lapangap was known by the district council, and the senate of the headman also was issued by the district council. I don't think that little part, this village Lapangap is not fall under that village little part. No? This is the law and order is not falling in the review of the district council, no? Because law and order was fall under the state government. The state government can help or can prevent those portion or those people living in that disputed area.
Unang ajing mo jang ka sarkar Meghalaya uba polling do ulapan bana ba 6000 hnyos pa teligisnong kinyo ya ki Angkanwadi Center haswa jang ubanai leber 1000 arpunriu katanat social welfare kan sakenteru ya ka supplementary nutrition program jongka da ka bapenrung shushu sakiwei pat gija jingbam ka Asian Development Bank kalabai arphok lotingka man la usnem ban kirshan ya ki teki kam Latmu ban boru yaki hostel batamai na kabenta ki kentei ki balej office na kabenta ga jowai ribhoi shillong batura ka sarkar kan kenteru yaki jaka lej bar haki school ka jingsam yaki sanitary pad bat ban sedang yaki self defense training na kabenta ki kena kentei hapo ka mission mode initiative.
Coverage all villages that are known as uncovered villages in the sense that we do not have Angkanwadi centers will be covered now. We have about roughly 1,700 such villages, and as of date, there are 6,000 plus AWCs, and the remaining 1,700 will be covered within March 2026, meaning that the entire state will now come under coverage by the Angkanwadi centers. Apart from that, the SNP, Supplementary Nutrition Program of the government of Meghalaya, will be further enhanced with addition of fresh items that have not formed part of the diet that is prescribed and distributed through the Angkanwadi centers. First absenteeism, and eventually they turn into be a dropout. So it's a major initiative because we would like to see that our children, and especially in the context of a girl child, she does not become incapacitated because of the menstrual cycle.
Ka Khun Nyutrat National Awakening Movement kalakan tho ya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council na kabenta gajing ai jangka ya ki trading license shy ki company banabar jala ki bomdei ki traishnong lingba ka marketplace GEM tender jangka sarkar working president ka khnam uba pendap bor lang pasa ula khot ya kani gajing le kum gajing pen khen ya ka kendon trading by non tribals regulation jong snam khat khandai spa san pusau bat la pendram ru ya gajing menjur ai license Shakinong Khayi ki Bathumu ban penhe yaki dukan jengki hayodu da ka bakdau halor ka jingshem lengba ka RTI uba pasa ulapan pau bana ki khan riu tali ki trade gate allotment application tang sautali la ajing mensure kat ban riu tali ki work order la ai shaki ba claim apply ka ba pen I ya ka jing bambyang ka rukam trekam bat ka badawa ki jing pen bet ka bar mador
kari halor ni ma katung ka jing kren jong VM trade hapo ka jing dorbar jong district council hakabai la ong ya kini ki gate jong trade department lai wai lamba ka jing court application ya ki beriu ki bakwa penyat ya kini ki gate banak liang jongi hadin bangiwat ka RTI pada ngipan ki kopi ai yang ni ka kopi jong kita apply hadin mengiyok kata ngilap ba ki don kan reumut ki ba apply ka ba mut kan reu tuli ki application kibala poi sa kami juga district council kibala penpawe ka jing krang ka jing anglu ka jong hiban penyai kini gate Handai ke basau si ba basau club dah kalau ba nak kini khandau lagi application tang south lagi ba yo ban penyai kini gate ba kita kin riungut pada kini ki ba claim apply ka total ki gate ke ba ka district council ka IY lemba ka trade department ka district tuli nak kini district tuli south tuli la ai sa kita ki beri ki bala ai ya ka application hak ka district council ba handriu tuli pada la ai sa kita ki beri ki ba claim penpoi ka dong application sya ka ni ka mi juga district council.
Ya ka Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program ka ba Arsni la penlong ha ka arpuk ndai ba lai potarik menta ubnai ha District Library nongpo ka bala lumlang yiki samla ki balawan bani shimbenta da gajing shedhem na kileng ki benta jong ka umling block. Kania ka program ka bala penlong da ka District Sports Office nongpo haringkat bat ka office jong UBDO umsning ka doni gijing yakob ba repair ki ba kentop ya gijing shat dan rai gijing yakob tem yakob jingkentip ka fashion show gijing yakob tho poetry bat gijing shnatiar ya kania ka program la play perda da UBDO ke umling uba Eric ke Dakar bat la penkut ya kania ka program da gijing wan shimbenta UMLA ka nongpo uba Meral Bonds im bat UMLA ka umsning u Dr. Celestine Ningdo ha ka bala sam ya ki khusna bagi sernot bala chiet ya ki henribo prangut ki nong ya shimbenta ban let mi khmat ya ka umling block ha ka district level ha ubanai nai wing.
The youth of the day, you have full responsibility. You have to take that responsibility to ensure that the future is yours and to ensure that in different parameters that we have to be at par with other districts or with other states of our country, it depends on all of you. You will do well in your city, you may be placed well in various departments or as entrepreneur or anyone in your life, but the main responsibility that we should have is that to be a human being, a good human being who will contribute for a better society.
Uhe kaseng Congress ka MEGHALAYA uba Vincent H. Pala. Ula ong ba kanu ke jingrai ha kabayade bat ke jingwan phayang menteri rang ba barim gejela u Dr. Mukul Sangma. Sya kaseng ka Shongbet ha u President ka AICC u Malik Arjun Kharke. Wat la kampat shemladon kanu ke jing kren uba pala ula penpau ye jing kershan ke jong u ye jing wan phai u Dr. Sangma. Ula pediang sngau bha ye jing wan penyesok biang jong u Senate M Sangma da ka ba ong ba kala pen KM biang ya keseng. Uba pala ula ong ru ba keseng kan yale ban yang biang da ka ba pediang ye kinong yalam berim ba da ka ba penrung ye ki briu ki batamai kamtam Nagaro Hills.
Ngin liang kapati ngin ju don sing air ngahi personally nado day one tangba kalabel jong Dr. Mukul bat jenit kaya per Mukul de Chief Minister ha kapor ba mi ula determine kombat show te honestly ngin padon rekisi ekran ba Dr. Mukul te ban ong heba urung ne umrung ne namnot ban ong nama ba la da urung Dr. Mukul hilai ku jenit ngilai ekran la aslam ni yok ke permission na Delhi te ban ong sepang Dr. Mukul urung ne umrung ne te kam ngamnot ban ong nama ba ni don kam ka permission no president ha gajuk ko por ni ha bot khot ka meeting ha po Garuil so kilong kumno tengali personally dengan dokumen alo do join nama rangam dane persaya Mukul demo ba ndangal along mga jing saya nga tu ong akan pet na tajopi upet naga daw ko ong ba ula plan pa haswa bangandong president ro la plan pa wani pet na parti ngam itip ka
mentangin ya phai shwa shipor sheki jing pen bana
से कहानी है सुना रही आकाशवाणी फिर आया एंटरटेनमेंट का रेवोल्यूशन जब कोने कोने पहुंचा दूरदर्शन कहानी नहीं बदली स्टाइल गया है बदल जो कहानियां हम सुनते आए देखते आए अब वही वैसी ही कहानी सुनाएगा डिजिटल
डाउनलोड वेव्स ऐप नाउ एंड वॉच फॉर फ्री
mentang ini kami biang ye ki kubor badangsa ka district Sangkalp for Empowerment of Women hapo jangka District Social Welfare Officer West Khasi Hills Kalarake ya ka International Day of the Girl Child daga jing penlong ya ka awareness program ka Bakerpang Hanongstone College. Hakane ka program la penlong yigi jing eye training halor ki rukom le khoj haba poi banai bat gijing sam yigi sanitary pad bat ki vending machine cheki school Hanongstone u Emily ka Nongstone u ba Gabriel Walang ula ple yakani ka program harengkat gijing don lang ka EAC kong N Wanyang na lor ki wei kani ka senjam ka thmu ban pentikna ya ka rukom eye jing sumar yigi khana school kentei hakapor ba poi banai khamtam hakapor long school. Yaka Center for Bay of Bengal Studies la perda hinin kasi hapo ka Asian Conference Think Tank Hashilong da UBIMSTEC Secretary General Ambassador U Indra Mani Pandey bad U Menteri Barim U RK Ranjan. Kani ka center katmu banwanra iki kam wat benya kijinga phliu jingmut bad kijinga treilang halor ki mat ki bakta ya kathan da ka bakir shan ya kathong jongkari banya treilang bad ki wegiri ha ka Bay of Bengal upande ulakdo ya ka kam jong ka BIMSTEC ha kijinga treilang bad kathan bad kijing mentoy na ka benta kathan chatei lamni katba u RK Ranjan ula pensha ya kijing riuspa jong ka kolshor bad kijing long pedeng ka shilong banya le ya kijing e ki bayadei bad ki kam duriau lengba kijing penlong ya jingwat benia kibasani.
We have the BIMSTEC Center for Weather and Climate. We have BIMSTEC Energy Center. There is a BIMSTEC Observatory for Cultural Industries. And then we are going to set up a technology transfer facility in Colombo. The centers which have been proposed, there are 4 by India. Center of Excellence in Agriculture, in Disaster Management, in Maritime Transport Cooperation, and then in Traditional Medicine. Thailand has proposed 2 centers of excellence, one in Public Health and Tropical Medicine, the other in Supreme Audit Institutions. Bangladesh has proposed to set up a center of excellence for skill development, and Nepal has proposed to set up a center of excellence for culture and tourism.
The Bay of Bengal region faces profound challenges: rising sea level, threatening coastal communities, the need for sustainable blue economy development, question of maritime security and cooperations. The preservation of biodiversity is one of the world's richest maritime environment, and the imperative of inclusive economic growth that benefit all peoples of this region.
Block Level Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program Arajar Arpusan kaba Arsngi Lenter nakabenta ka West China Hills District kalakudno hakyang nongba Government College Auditorium. Hakaba kalakring hadu South Pa South Langut ki samla puli na ki arbusan tali ki jaka puli. La penlong igani ka program da ka District Sports Office hakaba la kantop igjiya kop drodor thop poetry shat tan rai ki jingkan tep bat ki wei ki batmu ban kantiu ya kamen sim nong yalam bat ki jingstan. Ki nong job kin yo ban yashibenta hagjiya kop hakakardan jong gejala katba ki nong yashibenta ki bapoi shakmat du kin yo ban yashibenta haki international level. I principal H. Toy ila sami ki kusnam hakasngi penkut hakabala ya donlang u District Sports Officer uba krobok pasa. Haringkat bat kari barok kawai gejala Meghalaya ru kalaraki ya kalingku sngi jong usadar Vallabhbhai Patel ya ka Rashtriya Ekta Divas laraki hakal leng ki benta jong gejala da gejing penlong ya gejing ya mare Run for Unity tungin ya kami halor kani ka kubor.
List is Khasi Hills kalau penlong ya ka Run for Unity ha pelau jong ka State Central Library palat san pongut kinang isymenta ke bakan top iki he pulit bat kiri pai ba kila isymenta ha kan program ya kan iki mare la ka wet lama da Superintendent of Police is Khasi Hills uba Herbert P Kharkngor la pembut pat da kijing sam ya ki kusnam syakinang job hakikat dan maper.
The spirit of unity to be there, especially in among the police forces, among the citizens of the state, the citizens of the country, and also we encourage the general public to be with us, to work in tandem and coordination with us, the police force, because we strive to bring excellence to the state and also to improve in all spheres of life, especially when it comes to development. It is with a good law and order situation that we are able to come to a good development to the state.
Ha East Giant Hills, Superintendent of Police, ula penlong yang jumare, nagamenta 10 kilometer, nagamenta baro ha ka program Run for Unity. Kinang simenta ki kintop ya ki pulit bat kinang song nagaleng ki district, rangkat kacing itu ka bakar pang ya kinang mare bakna tam bat barang batam. Lasam ya Henry utli kusnam, syakishin rang bat kentai, ha ka ba kinang job kelayo ki medal, ki trophey, ki sernot bat ki song pisah.
And possibility of crimes and everything. So I welcome all of you for this Run for Unity, and I wish that everyone understands the value of our nation, its unity and integrity, and we run for that spirit.
Ha East dan West Khasi Hills District ka Office Chong Superintendent of Police kala pelong ya kijing mare nakabatasan kilometer ha Run for Unity ban kentiu ya kijing itali ha kari bat pislor ya kisamla ban kijing ka pokok ya bakya kani kijing mare kelas tang najan ka Office Chong Deputy Commissioner ka badan ha mau sawa bakala pukut pat ha madan dam maulum pendem umjong mairang lasam ya ka song pisa bat kisernot checking nang job bat penslor ya kisamla man semata ha ki waiti kijing ya ko Hatura kabatilan kabasis pa arpau jong ka Central Reserve Police Force kalarke ya ka Rashtriya Ekta Divas kawalatip kum ka National Unity and Integrity Day ha ka headquarter jong ka hadakop kre kanangan buram ya ka nigasngi kabatilan kalapanlong ya kijing mare jong kumpasan phongwet ki he officer bat kinong tre kanega program kapan pau ya kijing kongsan jong ka jingetli jong kari bat anbat ya kidin cha jong usadar balabhai patel Bureau Reports GD News MEGHALAYA
Mentangin ya pet iki kubor ha kathan chatei lamingi. Ki nongkersha nakil lenge jela Assam kila tu chaki cinema mentagasngi nakabenta ban pelaj ba ya ka Roy Binale ka film bakhaddu jang unong rwai u Zubin Kak u bala klat no ha Singapore ha ka khat khandai tarik unailur lapen biang penbit ya kani ka film da u Rajesh Bhuyan bat sedang ban pen I ya kani ka film nadu kapor sau arbusan men step ha Matrix Hall Guwahati kijing le buram kila tu nakil lenge jela bat ki nongkershan kila khot ya kani ka film kum ka farewell gift mentangin pet seki kubor hakal lengkari. Menteri Rang Baduk Kari Narendra Modi haba ajingkren ha kasingi rakhe ya ka Rashtriya Ekta Divas ha Ekta Nagar ha kalengkhu sikha ka bashis pa sanpho jang Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel wala kantu ya ki pat kari banyatali na ka benta ka thong jang ka Viksit Bharat haba ajingkren ha gijing alang ka bahe wala pen pau ya gijing job jang ka sarkar ban perking ya ki kan hun naksal bad ya ki kam le no jang ka moist na du usnem arachar khat saw u Modi ula ongru bagajing bun ki district ki Bashakta Kaladuna nakashispa Shaki Khadwaitali bat tangsa laitali ki district ki badang Shakta jur.
This way, sir, right here. Okay.
सेना के एम्बेसडर्स सूर्य किरण एरोबैटिक टीम ग्रुप कैप
Menteri Katanat Yadari Rajnath Singh ulai kendu ya Secretary Katanat Thma ka Amerika UP Hexet ha Kuala Lumpur mentakasngi ban pen scam shu igijing trailang ha pedeng gisipai pahara ke India bat Amerika kani gajing kendu kadai hadian gajing kendu jong Menteri Kambari US Jaishankar ya Secretary of State ka Amerika Marco Rubio ha ka arpun ya trik risau ban pen klan ya gajing trailang halor ki mat ka perthai kum juru gajing kren kadang beteng halor ki khayi pateng da Menteri Katanat Commerce Piyush Goyal bala banjur ya gijing kit khia ke India banwanra i gijing dei ke babha bat ke bane Kini baro ki penpau ki jingklo ya trilang ke India ha ki liang baro ha ki jinga dei paralok bat kari Amerika. Mentang ini pej iki kubor ha ka perthai. Kacing beteng kacing ther uslap nadu kasni palai kalawan ra ikicing tua khendo hakeleng ki benta chong ka Nepal ki balakta ya ki surak ki bakongsan ya ka benta chong ka Narayan Kat Muklin hajan tuin kola ka bahap ha icha kamana rural municipality lahap ban khang henrei la plebyang hadien balaweng ya ki khendo Hais Nepal kabenta jong ka ilam raj duali jong ka surok ba mechi kadang beteng bankhang haringkat bat ka surok tilkeni zimal kola shilpur ka surok kechana kanchenjunga kadang khang nadu ubenari saw mencem snam na kadaw kejing kelem kejing kieng ka balakta ik surok ka bapenyaso ya ka ilam chapa ha ka wepat kabenta ka we ka bas ka batmu ban lecha Kathmandu Nagor kalahab Hagi jaka klau ka tikwali ha Bharat pun ha ka ba lai phulai ngut kinong shongkali kilamen saw mentangin ya khmi saki khubor ya le kai ka West Garo Hills Interclub Taekwondo Kyoruki Championship kabaar kalas dang henekesngi Hatura Indoor Stadium kabala penlong da ka West Garo Hills Taekwondo Association ringkat kejing Trailang ka District Sports Office ha kani kejing lekai lakan thop ya shispa prapulai ngut ki samlai lekai ki ba nadu hnyo hadu khan nyo snem karta naki khat artli ki club na keleng ki district ki bayakun hagi kardan sub junior cadet but junior Hagani ka snipli ladan lang ki he sarkar ki kmi ki pa khatsan ngut ki referee bakan thop ya arngut na shillong ki bakmi ya ki jingle kai u general secretary u sanang ji moment ula banjur halor ka benta ban pen kre ya ki noi le kai na ka benta ki jinga kop ki bakham halor ya ki final labu ban long ha ka shitarik unai wieng
This is the second West Garo Interclub Taekwondo Championship. And there are 12 numbers of club and 13 number of students have registered for this championship. And weight division is for sub-junior, cadet, and then junior. And main purpose of this championship is to make the students experience with the kyorugi fighting skill, so that they can compete with the other state and the state level championship.
Ka India kalayo igijing job Persha ya ka Australia da Sun Wicket hagajing akun semi-final hakalimpung ICC Women ODI World Cup kabalalong ha Dr. DY Patel Sports Academy Navi Mumbai. Da ka babu ikathong ka balai spa lai pu khandai ron ka India kalala banjob bat tam sa khandai ball ha ka ba ga Jamima Rodriguez kala ka mai shispa arpunyo bat ka Harmanpreet Kaur kala ka mai Prabhu khandai ron ka Shri Jarani bat ka Dipti Sharma kilayo ban panhab mar ar weekend ka Australia kabalati ningkong kala ka mai lai spa lai pu praron ha ka ba ka Phoebe Lichenfield ka lala ban ka mai shispa khat khandai ron ka India kan yakun Persha ya ka South Africa hagaji yakun final lasngi ublay Timan tapat ngenya pej igajing long jingman jong ka sun beneng hakeleng ki benta jong ka jela Hatura kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong 9 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau menta kasingi kalong prapasaw na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong pra millimeter haba pai pat shanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau menta kasingi kalong prapapra na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 10 millimeter kat ba hajowai kajing kriat kalong 9 degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong prapua na kashispa ka sun benengkan rang hatura shilong bat jowai Shwaban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngene pej biang sa shisin yakimat bakongsan jangka Shillong Government College of Engineering ya kesenam puli ka Beningkong da Mars Liposeed na kabenta gejing puli Civil but Electrical Engineering. La banwan pli Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi lani Menteri Ketenat Kampu Ying Amit Shah ya ke Shillong Medical College. Tanpa UCEM ka JHADC bakal lapangap kadai kebenta cong gejala Meghalaya kentu ya ke Sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya ban wanra i kejing penbait ke Bakham Kloy. Yawer Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ya kejing yatali ha kejing rakhi ya ka Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Bat yok ke India ya kejing job ringkat kejing yok penhap Sun Wicket Persia ke Australia ha kejing elek kai semi-final jong ka ICC Women's ODI World Cup. Ti para lok ka tungila poisha ka bukut jong ka thup khubor jingi menta ka janmiat hadu bangin dai shambia bat phila shai kesngi khublei phi baro.